Assalamu alaikum students. I am Aisha Hassan. Hope you are well and staying safe at home and taking care of yourself. Well, today we are going to start our classes. Hope these will be helpful for you. Today we are going to revise tenses. Before starting, let's have a look on our objectives. Objectives are: in this lesson we will learn four types of present tense, how to form present indefinite tense, uses of present indefinite tense, sentence structure, affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. Examples. There are four types of present tense. First of all, present indefinite tense. Second one is present continuous tense. Third one is present perfect tense. Fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. Now let's read the definition of present indefinite tense. It is used to describe habits, unchanging situations, general truths, and fixed arrangements. The present indefinite tense is also called present simple tense. Now read the uses of present indefinite tense. First use of present indefinite tense is: it is used to express habits, general truths, repeated actions, or unchanging situations, emotions, and wishes. First example is: I get up early in the morning. It shows habit. I walk in London. It shows unchanging situation. London is a large city. It is showing the general truth. Second point is: it is used to give instructions or directions. Like, you walk for 200 meters, then you turn left. Third point is to express fixed arrangements, present or future. Example is: your exam starts at 9. Fourth point is to express future time after some conjunctions, like after, when, before, as soon as, until. He'll give you when you come next Saturday. Now we will read more examples according to that situations. For habits, he drinks tea at breakfast. She only eats fish. They watch television regularly. Next point is, for repeated actions or events, we catch the bus every morning. It rains every afternoon in the hot season. They drive to Karachi every summer. For general truths, water freezes at 0 degrees. The earth revolves around the sun. Next point is, for instructions or directions, open the packet and pour the contents into hot water. Next point is, for fixed arrangements or scheduled events in the near future. His mother arrives tomorrow. Her holiday starts on the 26th March. The train leaves tonight at 6 pm. The bus does not arrive at 11 am, it arrives at 11 pm. With future constructions, she'll see you before she leaves. We will give it to her when she arrives. The train leaves tonight at 6 pm. Now let's have a look on the rules of the present indefinite tense. The first rule is, we use s or es with the first form of the verb when the subject is singular, as he, she, it, and proper noun. We use does in negative and interrogative sentences. Next point is, we do not add s or es with the first form of verb when subject is they, you, we, I, and plural noun. Use do in negative and interrogative sentences. Now we will read the sentence structure of simple present tense. In affirmative sentences, sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object. Subject is a doer, verb is an action, and object receives that action. In negative sentence, subject plus do or does according to the subject plus verb, first form of verb plus object. In interrogative sentences, do, does, like helping verb comes in the front, plus subject plus verb, first form of plus object and question mark. Interrogative and negative sentences, Do does plus subject plus not plus first verb, first form of verb plus object and plus question mark. Now here are the more examples of affirmative sentences. The fallen trees often blocks this road. The cartoon shows cheer up the children and make them laugh. Ahmed plays football every weekend. The rooster crows loudly in the early morning. I clean the car on Sundays. I buy a new uniform every year. Examples of negative sentences of present indefinite tense. They do not play cricket in that field. I do not like the food they serve at the restaurant. Jim does not work on Fridays. My friends do not usually leave so early. I do not want to go with you. Interrogative sentences. Does Jonathan always turn off the lights? Don't you ever clean your room? When do you want to meet me? Why does Beth always complain so much? How much does that ticket cost? Why don't you ever to go on vacation? Now here is an exercise filling the correct form of the verb. This exercise must be done on the copies.